Hi, Stell. This is the front of the...
Come in. Come and see our house. Hey, Stella, this is Grandma's house and Grandpa's house. This is our living room. I'm going to show you where your dad's bedroom was, so come on with me. Your dad and Uncle Tim used to sleep down this hall and right in this bedroom. And when they were little, they had bunk beds. There were 2 beds in there. Now it's just a guest room. So when you come to visit, you can stay in this room if you want to. Okay. Come with me. This is, turn around, that's the bathroom, turn around, and in here is Grandpa's computer. When we look on Skype and see you and your brother, this is where we're sitting. Okay, let me show you the kitchen. I'm making dinner for Uncle Joe and Gigi, and this is our little kitchen. And let me show you on the refrigerator because I have your picture. I have your picture right here with my glasses on. And I have Ethan's too. Okay, now come with me. I'm going to show you our new bathroom. Because Daddy and Mommy will want to see this too. This is our family room where we watch TV. And then this is the way to the bathroom. And this is our new shower for Dad to see. I'll turn the light on so you can see better. There. Okay. And I'll show you our outside real quick. Okay, this door goes out to our backyard where we spend a lot of time in the summertime. We don't have our umbrella up yet, but this is the backyard. So, Stella Marie, that's our house.
What do you think, Stell? Pretty neat, huh?